3 signs that you are about to become very rich.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink, and we have been bringing you this daily podcast since February 2009. And look, we're not new to this, but we're here every single day to empower your life. So be sure to subscribe on iTunes, YouTube, or wherever you're listening to this Law of Attraction podcast. 3 signs you are about to become very rich. Number 1, you are fast. You love things fast. And you understand that success loves speed. Recent research of billionaires finds that they focus on speed of implementation. How fast can I implement this and get this working? That's usually the first question they ask. Speed of implementation. If you're one of those kind of people who say, look, it's nice knowing this information, but how fast can I implement it? How fast can I get it working? You are on your way to becoming very, very rich. This is a big sign. You like to take specific information that you have learned and turn it into action steps. Okay, I've learned this information. Now, how do I turn it into action steps? What are the action steps I need to take? You are one of those rare individuals that's on fire with passion. There's absolutely no tomorrow for you. I mean, you don't think in terms of tomorrow. You think in terms of today. What can I accomplish today? You know, Warren Buffett, notably one of the wealthiest men in the world, he spends 80% of his time reading. But when he reads something that makes sense to him, he wants to implement it as quickly as possible. You're one of those people that like a lot of knowledge, but when you take that knowledge, you distill it down to what you need, and then you implement it as quickly as possible. You live by the 3 famous words of another billionaire, Clement W. Stone, who said, "Do it now." He built an incredible insurance empire on those 3 words. Do it now. Number 2, you are action-oriented. I mean, everybody knows you as Mr. Action, okay? That's what you do. You take action. And you understand that when it comes to the law of attraction, there is no attraction without action. Even when you are uncertain, and this is the real big key here, listen to this, even when you are uncertain, even when you have some doubts, you're in there taking action. That's the difference between you and someone else who is just making a living, okay, maybe making a good living. But you are called to be very, very rich because you have the traits of a billionaire. You certainly do. You know, Amazon's Jeff Bezos said that when they calculated everything in the beginning, and he borrowed, I think it was $300,000 from his father to start his business. When he did that, he knew that he only had a 30% chance of success, but he took the action even in uncertain times, even with uncertain results, billionaires, successful rich people take action. They pull the trigger, then they aim, then they pull the trigger again. So this is an incredible trait, because while it may seem normal to you to be action-oriented, most people are not. Most people are talk-oriented, think about it oriented, let's write it down oriented, let's come up with a business plan oriented. They're not let's get the ball rolling oriented. And that's a huge, huge difference.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
Number 3, and I think this is the most important of all. You understand that your most important asset, the most important asset of all, is a diminishing asset, and that's time. We are all running out of time. You understand that you have very, very, very little time to accomplish very, very big goals and dreams. That's why President Barack Obama, when he became president, sat down and narrowed his suit colors to 3 colors. And all of his suits were, I think they were either dark gray, charcoal gray, blue, and I'm not certain of the other color. But anyway, he limited it. He didn't want to think about it. That was something that a decision in the morning when he got up, he didn't want to think about it. He just grabbed a suit. And all of the ties would match all of the suits. So grab any tie because it's going to match any suit. You don't have to spend 45 minutes figuring out what you're going to wear. It's right there. Same thing with a number of people. That's why you'll see people like Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. He wears the same T-shirt every day. Now, it's not the exact same T-shirt. He might have 50 of them. He might have 100 of them. I don't know. But he wears the same T-shirt and the same pair of jeans and the same tennis shoes every single day. That's his uniform, but more importantly, that's a way of him cutting through time. He doesn't have to sit there and think about what he's going to wear. Look at Steve Jobs, same thing. Used to wear a turtleneck and a pair of jeans every single day. Turtleneck and a pair of jeans. And you'll see these little traits in billionaires and successful people. You have them too. You're not one of those people that are going to spend an hour figuring out what you're going to wear. You don't want to waste time. You want to cut through time. You are oriented to very concise time management. Every minute of the day is accounted for because it's important and it's critical to you. Now, high flyers, if you don't fit these 3 signs, you can change. You can create affirmations and habits that will put you in lockstep with others who have gone before you, who were multi-billionaires, who understood how important it was to have a routine and to use that routine to cut through time. Any one of these 3 steps can be applied to your life starting today. You have that option. And if you apply them to your life for 28 days and you make them a habit, oh, I've got good news for you. You are on your way to becoming very, very rich. You have a great day. We'll see you soon. Be sure and subscribe. We love you. Bye-bye now.